Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we shall discuss about a topic organizational breakdown structure. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and very important with respect to project management, and we have taken this topic from PMBOK, Project Management Body of Knowledge. And with respect to PMP exam point of view, this is a very important topic and you will see this topic in the exam. So friend, let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Organizational breakdown structure. First of all friend, this is a concept used by project management, and normally project managers use this organizational breakdown structure to use it for their project. Now how they can use the organizational breakdown structure? First of all, we have to understand that what is actually organizational breakdown structure. For short form is OBS. So basically organizational breakdown structure or OBS describe the organizational hierarchy, actually, that how the different roles act in the organization and what is their hierarchy in the organization. For example, let's suppose generally organizations are structured in a manner that first CEO, then the other departments, like for example the project management, software development, quality assurance, they all generally reports to their reporting managers, and then reporting manager reports to CEO. Is similarly the finance department reports to CFO, and then CFO and CEO are on the same level. Then CTO also there, and CTO is having the expertise in the technical area as well. So basically friend, the concept of organizational breakdown structure is that they group the divisions with respect to their domains and with respect to their expertise, and then the communication then the organizational hierarchy defines with respect to organizational breakdown structure. So this is a very good way to understand the structure of the company. Whenever the you need, as a project manager, you need to buy in the resources, you need resources. So by using the organizational breakdown structure, you know that where you have to talk. For example, something related to accounts or finance, so you know that you have to talk with the CFO or the subdivision of CFO. You need software developers, for example, so you know that you need to talk with the CTO or the functional manager of the software development hand. So by using the organizational breakdown structure, you know the hierarchy, and then you can use this hierarchy to understand it and take it as a to use in your projects as well. For example, here friend, I just want to show you our organizational breakdown structure. Here you can see the CEO is on the top hierarchy, then the operations and execution department, then R&D, and then CFO. As per the, this is a very simple example of organizational breakdown structure. Here you can see all the other divisions, like for example manual management, the other divisions, they reports to operations execution department. The here the other hierarchy of subdivisions reports to R&D, and here accounts for purchase etc reports to CFO, and all these three divisions, operations, R&D, and CFO, reports to CEO. Here friend, if you just know that, for example, you as a project manager, you need some resources from accounts division, for example, or procurement, so you know that you have to talk from this area, and this is CFO is the head, so if there is any issue, you can talk with the CFO as well. Similarly, something related to operations and execution, so you can talk here, and if there is any issue, you can talk to the head of the operation department, and if still issues not resolved, then you can talk to CEO of the company as well. So this is the very simple example of organizational breakdown structure. Normally friend, organizational breakdown structure is a hierarchical model describing the established organizational framework for project planning, resource management, time and expense tracking, cost allocation, revenue, profit reporting, and work management as well. The organizational breakdown structure groups together similar project activities or work packages and relates them to the organizational structure. OBS, also known as organizational breakdown structure, is used to define the responsibilities for project management, cost reporting, billing, budgeting, and project control. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope this video would be helpful for you. If it is helpful, please share it with your friends and colleagues. And thanks for watching the video. Thank you, friends.